Alright, this is gonna be test 1. Hopefully I'm not like screaming in your guys' ears, sorry. This is gonna be test 1 of the code that I got right here, so let me pull it up for y'all. I wanna make sure that it's getting everything as well. And isn't showing up off screen. Alright, so let's go over this real quick. Alright, so what the fuck is going on here? Did he update it? Or did it import like 8 times? Ah. Okay. Well, anyway. Yeah, it actually kind of looks like that. Yeah. Like the... Alright, anyway, my point is, okay, is I took that, right, where you guys just saw there, okay? And I deleted everything that I don't need for Team Deathmatch. This is my Team Deathmatch script that I'm working on, alright? We swapped out captures for revives because he left that in, which is actually pretty nice. And then, again, this is all theoretical. I haven't tested this other, so I'm about to show you. I'm trying to show you guys the progress and why I'm not a big fan of how they did it, because beforehand, the rules used to be really simple. Now, don't get me wrong, being able to make your own UI is really good, but they don't give you any templates when creating your own custom script or rule sets, whatever you'll call it, right? So it just makes this really tedious, all right? And it would be greatly appreciated if they gave us Conquest, TDM, Domination, Rush, like all the base modes as templates to work off of, because some people, for example, like there's one guy that I started to earlier that would like to make Michael Myers, right? Especially for Halloween, that would be really fun. All right, so I'm going to walk you through the changes that I made. First off, I got rid of this from Defs. I got rid of this from one of the code block up there. I think it might have been this or something like that. I can't remember. I got rid of this. I got rid of capture, all the capture stuff, alright, because it's TDM, so we don't have to worry about capture points. Score tracker removes tickets, it's the bleeding system, alright. The remove capture point, you know, again, it's self-explanatory, I got rid of all this. These are the things that I kept and haven't touched yet. So we got revive counter. We got death update, set scoreboard, assists, earn kill. Again, this is going to add a score for the team. I haven't done that yet. Update score and time, update score and time. Not entirely sure why he has 2 in a row. My guess is to make sure that it updates, you know, like it updates once and then it updates again in 2s, all right? We got map set up, and then we got initialize. So initialize is completely different from on-game mode started, all right? You got your mode time limit here, and you got your mode target score here, all right? And then on top of that, you got your UIDs, outline, scoreboard, all that jazz, okay? Up here is just setting up how the score looks, all right? And then right here is setting the amount of tickets, right? Normally, again, this is based off Conquest. So right here, you'd put like 1,500 for Conquest. Right now, we're starting at 0 because remember, this is going to be a reverse ticket logic where players are supposed to aim for a 100 score. If this does not work, I'll have to do it the end verse, and that's going to be really annoying, okay? And then that's as far as I know, and then obviously this ongoing stuff is for the end match. So it looks like he's updated it and added these 2, but the thing is I would have deleted them anyway, so I'm not really too worried about that. Right here is just basically the amount of slots each team can have, and because, again, this is Team Deathmatch, we only need 8, therefore I only have 8 on both sides. Alright, because this is for the outline, right? And then right here, you don't want to touch. Alright, there are some subroutines I deleted, which was mainly just the objective stuff, so I don't have those at the bottom. I'll go ahead and show you what I deleted from over here. Alright, so I deleted... I kept those. I deleted... And then delete that. That might actually be new, so maybe I'll copy paste this over, change some of the stuff. But I deleted that, and then this capture point setup, and then the vehicles. All right, let's go ahead and get in game, and let's see what happens. All right. Alright, so the timer is working correctly, which is good. We shouldn't see the score update, and this match should play out until the timer ends, theoretically. However, player scores should still track. Okay, so score so far is not tracking. Can easily fix that. Again, we'll just have to make sure, go through and check and make sure nothing's happening there. Because score isn't tracking, I'm not going to try and waste y'all's times. I will pause the timer and I will let the match play out. If the game does end and ends on a draw, then I'll let you guys know at the end of the video. Alright. Alright, so the match ended in a draw. Again, hopefully this isn't recording like one half of the screen. It is tracking score though, so that's good. Or well, not score, but it is the. Sorry, what I'm trying to say is scoreboard doesn't like delete itself while it's in here, which is good. All right. So yeah, I'm gonna upload this to YouTube and then put it into the chat for you guys.